Hello friends, welcome to a new video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jenny and I'm the artist behind the Acryla Creative Studio brand. In today's video, we're going to be making an all-natural lip balm with the products sent to me by the company Nature Packaged. I have another video talking all about this company and their products. If you want to watch that, go to this link right here or go to the description box. There's going to be a link over there too. This company values are awesome and they quality test all of their products, so I highly recommend it. I am in love with everything that they sent to me, especially the essential oils and the cocoa butter, which smells just like chocolate. And that's why we're using spearmint oil today, because the combination with the cocoa butter and the spearmint, I think it's gonna be chef's kiss. They also have a membership for $59.99 a year where they send you 2 free essential oils and you have 20% off all of your purchases from that year. This company is farm direct, so they get their products directly from the farm, which I think is super cool. As I mentioned before, these products are quality tested and the company shares with us the documentation of the test on each product page. Go watch that video after you watch this one, of course, and let me know what you think about this company. I am in love with getting products directly from the farm and with such amazing quality, and that's why I got inspired today to making this all-natural lip balm for you guys. For this project, we're going to use grapeseed oil, and this grapeseed oil is from Spain. We're also going to be using some spearmint essential oil from India and some cocoa butter from Ghana. Now this cocoa butter smells delicious, and I know I mentioned this 1,000 times, but it is amazing. You're also going to need some beeswax, and of course you're going to need some kind of tubes for your lip balms. In this case, I'm using some cardboard tubes that are recyclable. Enough talking, let's make some lip balms. That was a super quick and easy tutorial for you guys, and here are the finished products. As you can see, they have some holes in the middle, but you can fix that with a heat gun. You melt the wax a little bit on the top and it's gonna cover them. This recipe yield for 2.5 tubes, and we're going to cap them. And there you have it. You can use a really cute label on the front. These look super nice and sleek because they're white. I love how they look. They are also recyclable, so that's a plus. These you have to push them from the back, and it's easier if you have something pointy like this. And smells super refreshing. You can smell the cocoa butter a little bit. They feel super smooth. Love it. Again, all of the links will be in the description box along with the recipe. Now go watch the unboxing and review video for this company. I am in love with this product, so again, I'm gonna leave it up here and down here. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.